What's the value? Money or beautiful facility or just good body, more friend? No. Of course, these are part of value, but not real value. Value means you must get some, long-lasting benefit. That's real value. Money value, even fame, fame may bring more worry, more anxiety, more stress, more suspicion. A friend also, just a mere friend, I think most cases, friend of wealth, friend of power, you may get more suspicion from these kind of friend. Genuine human friend come only on the basis of warm-heartedness. If you treat them, if you put 100% trust on them, respect them, take care of them, then they become genuine friend. That's a reliable friend. And the day-to-day happy mood, money alone cannot bring. Power, no. Again, inner value. So, vision with value, what? Then, individually, becoming more happier person, and the family level also happier, and community level also much happier. Certain values based on faith. Faith towards something mysterious. So long it works, okay, very good. But not very sound. But the value means, humanism, basic humankind, human nature, I believe, gentleness. I think when we are very young, maybe more fresh, basic human nature. So they love play. Occasionally some quarrel. But most cases, the parent, particularly the mother, provides affection, compassion. The children themselves doesn't care about the children's social background or their family background. So long the children play together, showing affection. I think these are the real human, express or very, very alive, basic human nature. Logically, we are social animal. So individuals' happy life or successful life entirely depend on rest of the community. So the rest of the community is source of our future, source of one individual's success or happiness. So we have to take, like farmer, take farmland, more, maximum care. Not love the soil, but that is their future. Their income, money come from that soil. So similarly, individual happy life depend on other. So that others are basis or source of our fortune. So it's taking care of them. Let's go more natural sort of way. Right? I think artificial sort of thinking, I'm independent. I never depend on them. Then exploit, cheating, lying, bully. In reality, long run, you are cutting or destroying basis of your own future. So humanism, basic human nature is more gentleness. Gentleness not come from dullness. Right? Gentleness come from full alerted mind, sharp mind, but more balanced with warm-heartedness. Then real human gentleness comes. So these not come from God or not come from sky or above, but come from within. So that's humanism. Right? I think some sort of, because of the some way to look, that's it. Humanism. We are social animal. It is bound to happen different views, different sort of interest. But still, these different people who have different sort of idea, different sort of interest, they are part of the humanity, part of the society. So there's no reason to killing each other, to bully each other. Even there is some differences. We have to talk. So that's the principle of non-violence. Non-violence does not mean bow down, right? Bowing, right? Non-violence, you should consider non-violence is signs of strength. Violence is a sign of desperate weakness. So there is a very rich human thinking. The concept of ahimsa developed. Not only remain idea, but 1,000 years it practice. So non-violence is very, very relevant to today's world. And especially in ancient time, okay, people, different continent, different country, they remain more or less self-sufficient. So not much contact with outside. So according to their circumstances, the very concept of war destroy the other group which have different interests or different sort of views. Then destruction of your enemy is victory of yourself. Now today's reality is every nation, every continent very much mixed each other, heavily interdependent. Arab needs Western technology, Western country need Arab oil, like that, everything interdependent. So according to that reality, concept of war is outdated. Yet, different sort of interest, contradictory interest, always there, because of human vision, human desire. Then we must find effective, practical method to solve these things. That's dialogue with non-violent principle. So that's very much relevant to today's world.